What's up, everybody? How we doing? Alex Winfield here, Coastal Group Real Estate and the Winfield Real Estate team. Last week, Steph and I introduced this crazy project and dream house that we are trying to buy to everybody. And everybody was super cool, and thank you for the nice comments. But everybody was like, hey, get us inside, let's see what it looks like. So that's what we're here to do. Let's get inside, let's check it out. Come on. All right, so we are here in the kitchen where food and people come together, the place we love so much. As you can see, there's some loving to be done in here. This is a foreclosure, so no judgment zone, please. But we got this lovely skylight. Might need a little something. Right now it's letting a lot of natural light, but also some natural water in too, which we want to stop the water part. But yeah, we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do in here. Maybe save some money, repaint some stuff, switch out some countertops. This peninsula here, love to open this up and bring it into this dining area. That would something we do, maybe throw in a little island, or portable island would be pretty super sweet. And this wall has got to go because we told you guys last week that this is our dream house, and that's kind of why it's the dream house. We always wanted to live on the water, the Lynhavenriver, and now the opportunity's here. You can do anything to a house, but you can't always get a piece of property like this, and this is an awesome yard for the kids to grow up on, go out boating on the Lynhavenriver. There's even a little bit of a dock out there, which will hopefully help us out when we try to build a dock in like 20 years from now after we're done paying for all the rehabs. Although most of that's coming through a renovation loan, but anywho, guys, yeah, so this is what it's all about right here for us. But let's continue on our tour here, and let's check out the rest. Come check out this lovely screened-in porch and carport over here. Got some sweet putting green out here. We got like this crazy contraption here to grill some food on the backside of the chimney. Pretty awesome, little wood storage. Not exactly sure what to do with it, but we'll probably light some kind of fire there at some point. Although, don't tell the insurance company that. Giant mirrors in like every room for some reason. Fireplace, which was one of Stephanie's big items that she wants in any house, is a fireplace. We like to do a lot of wood fire, so super stoked about that. And yeah, let's walk back through here. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So we've got kind of the death fan in here, metal blades. We sharpen those up. And not exactly sure why that's it. I think it's industrial strength maybe. And then this bedroom, we've got 3 full bathrooms, which is great. This will be where the 2 older boys would be sleeping, and this will be their bathroom. So I think we're gonna keep this one pretty much the way it is. Target practice ahead. All right, so let's come check out the hallway bathroom. Got the sweet 70s tile. Thank goodness it's actually white tile. And I have a feeling we're gonna need a bigger sink at some point. All right, now into Lizzie's room and Josh's room. We got the unicorn over here, so that should save a lot of money on painting for us. We don't have to paint our own unicorn. Trying to keep that budget intact. All right, now on to the master. Got our sweet little putting green in here. Steph and I can work on our swing. Well, that sounds bad. All right, not that. All right, so we are looking to maybe extend this wall here all the way to the wall over here, and we'll do the master bathroom, extend that out, master closet, and just turn this into a real nice master suite. Put a 5 or 6 foot slider here so that we've got more natural light coming into the room, and we've, are able to take advantage of that water view in here. So the cool thing about this master bedroom is that it goes right out to the back deck, which is awesome. which potentially could mean that I could wake up in the morning before the kids and go for a run without waking everybody up. So I should get in better shape if we buy this house. But yeah, that is the house. That's the inside, the outside. Hopefully you guys get a good idea of what we are working with. Obviously, we've got a lot of work cut out for us, but super excited about it. Closing is gonna be coming soon. We got inspections. We've got the rehab process. I'll try to bring you guys along for all of it because there's a lot of learning and a lot of fun experiences to come along. But yeah, this is it. If you want to kind of keep up with us as we do this, just hop on the YouTube page and try not to post every single thing on Facebook so I don't drive everyone crazy. But yeah, this is it. This is the house, this is the project. So thank you guys for coming along with us. And till the next time, signing out, Alex Winfield here. May your castle be secure and your cup overflowing. Peace.